do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody has...
Back investing family. Today I'm going to be going through some monthly dividend stocks, and stick with me because I really went into a lot of research as far as finding some stocks that I feel are the best ones for you guys to look into. If you enjoy this type of content or other stock market related videos, please do subscribe. It helps my channel out immensely. Now, before I jump too in depth into the research, I wanted to give a few honorable mentions that I feel are great companies, but that every YouTuber covers. I want to present you with some other stocks that aren't as common and maybe you haven't heard of. So first things first, a few honorable mentions are Realty Income with a 4.9% yearly dividend, Main Street Capital with an 8.4% yearly dividend, and AG&C Investment with an 11.3% yearly dividend. Now, as far as the 3 dividend stocks I'm going to recommend, I want to give you guys stocks that fit 3 categories. Positive revenue and earnings, which is sometimes hard to find for big dividend stocks. Stable historical dividends that aren't canceled in uncertain economic times. And payout ratios that aren't over 100%, which can also be hard to find with some of these bigger dividend companies. These concepts sound simple, but you wouldn't believe how many dividend investors end up losing more money chasing after higher dividends because the companies go bankrupt by paying out too much. My first company is Whitestone, REIT, ticker symbol WSR. This company has a 6.4% consistent yearly dividend spanning back years. And if we take a look at my dividend tracker, which tracks stocks back to 2013, we see that Whitestone hasn't missed a single dividend payment in that time, which is awesome. Also, if we take a look at both earnings and revenue from 2016 to 2019, we see that earnings have grown every year since 2017, and both revenue and earnings of Q1 of 2020 are positive. And with a payout ratio of only 40%, I see this stock's dividend as a safe bet, and I may be adding this as a position in my portfolio quite soon. My next monthly dividend pick is Gladstone Commercial, ticker symbol GOOD. One red flag I see with this stock is that it has a payout ratio of a little under 95%. They do have a yearly dividend of 8.41%, and they've paid a solid monthly dividend as far back as 2005. We also see that Q1 of 2020 was better than any quarter in 2019, so this shows good forward growth, and it makes me a little more comfortable with such an outrageous payout ratio. I'm going to be watching Q2 earnings quite closely, however, to see whether this company can weather the Roni storm. And my last monthly dividend stock, BlackRock Limited Duration Income Trust, ticker symbol BLW, which is fairly unique from others as they invest in private company bonds, meaning they bail out other companies of debt for interest. They also have a yearly dividend of 8.36%. And now because this business's dividend model is based around a mutual bond fund, its prices don't fluctuate nearly as much as other companies in this list. And this balances out risk nicely. However, because it's a mutual fund, it makes tracking an exact payout ratio and earnings quite tricky. But I think with the reduced risk surrounding this company and a 7-year history of monthly dividends, this stock is a safe bet to add to your portfolio. Hope you enjoyed the video today, and as always, please like and subscribe.